Dear friends from Slovenia, your political path witnesses its 20th anniversary. Congratulations. It was a pleasure to me to follow your growth and progress. During my long political career, I can easily detect the political success stories that the SDS witnessed under the leadership of Janez Janša. He is your successful leader. He chairs the party that effectively led the country. He led the country that successfully led the European Union and will again lead your country to prosperity. Needless to say, Janez Janša can count on the full support of the EPP in order to make this true. Over the past 4 years, you carried out important structural reforms to convert Slovenia into the innovation-driven economy it is today. The Slovenian GDP grew by a quarter, with a record economic growth on 5.5% on average. Unemployment rate fell to its historical low at 4.2%. Taxes were reduced for the first time in the history of Slovenia. Your voters should remember this. Before us lie great challenges. The European elections to be held in June 2009 is one of them. With our electoral manifesto that will be adopted the 29th and 30th of April at the EPP Congress in Warsaw, the EPP will have a solid program for the next 5 years and for another victory, and consequently to remain the largest political force in the European Parliament. We also count on you, dear friends from SDS. Let us again be the best EU team with a convincing program and a positive campaign. Last but not least, happy birthday. Be as you are, well on the road.